Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to make Thalapakatti style black pepper chicken. Once I had it from Dindigul Thalapakatti restaurant and I liked it very much. To make black pepper chicken, we need chicken drumstick. Make deep gashes over the chicken drumstick and we are going to marinate it with few things. For that, add in an egg and salt and mix well. After mixing, add in the corn flour. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. Cover it and marinate it for 15 minutes. The chicken drumstick has marinated well and we are going to deep fry it. I have taken vegetable oil in an wok to deep fry the marinated chicken drumstick. Make sure to use chicken drumstick to make this dish. Well, this is an Indo-Chinese chicken fry and you can have it as starter. We have to fry this chicken nicely in this cooking oil. Make sure you get nice golden brown crispy chicken drumstick fry. Chicken drumstick fry is ready and I'm just removing it from oil. The chicken fry will be really good to have it as such, but we are gonna make black pepper chicken by tossing it with few ingredients. To the same wok, I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil and added chopped ginger. In goes chopped garlic and sauteed. Saute slightly and add in chopped onion. We have to chop ginger, garlic and onion finely so that it coats our chicken drumstick nicely. Add in a sliced green chilli and saute it. Once the onions are cooked, add in pepper powder. Then add in some Kashmiri chili flakes. We'll get spiciness from green chilli, pepper and chili flakes. In goes some soy sauce. We are making black pepper chicken and that color comes from pepper as well as soy sauce. Add a little salt because soy sauce has salt in it. Now add in water and mix well. Once the onion mix boils, add in the crispy fried chicken drumsticks. Give it a stir and toss it in the sauce. This black pepper chicken tastes best when served hot. Toss it nicely until all the chicken drumsticks coats well into the sauce. Finally, add in some chopped spring onion. Switch off the flame and our Thalapakatti style crispy black pepper chicken is ready now. Do try this dish and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, please do not forget to share me the picture either through Instagram, email or Facebook. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.